here at Egypt Air, so it's kind of like chaotic as usual dahil na boarding. So nagkakagulo mga tao. What good with us is nauna kami mag-board kaya we got pretty much the space on top. We can have our cabin. Nakuha namin yung yun sa aming mga bagahe. And Egypt Air provides pillow. They also provide, I think, a blanket. And yung upuan nila, merong footrest yung seat. Ayan, no? Right? So, kaya maganda rin. And then, meron kang own screen dito with browse. Mukha namang mga bago naman yung kanilang mga shows, mga movies. Once we arrived at the airport of Cairo, we need to go get or buy the e-visa on arrival kasi we did not avail the visa in advance. You can do so, it will take about 5 to 7 days before it arrives. So dito ang visa on arrival sa National Bank of Egypt, dito magbabayad. Tapos katabi lang yung foreign exchange. Get your visa on arrival here for only $25. Ayan, pila ka dito. We got our visa. This is what the visa looks like. Binigyan lang kami nito. So it's $25. Easy money. Finally, pagkatapos ng napakahabang pag-aantay namin sa immigration, natatakan din kami. Tapos nakalabas na rin kami. Marami rin ako na-discover din dito sa Egypt. Meron din silang pagkakasimilarity sa Philippines. Yung kanilang pamamalakad. So welcome to Egypt. There you go. First destination of our group tour is the Great Pyramids of Giza. So this is the biggest pyramid out of the three. Dito sa Pyramid of Giza. Ayan, lalapit tayo doon. Touch natin yung bato. So as you can see, may entrance yan, no? There's 1 and 2 entrance. Meron din sa taas. Yung entrance na yun sa pangalawa, hirap kasi i-point out eh, you know. It was discovered in 1998 daw. But prior to that, yun lang nasa baba na yun ang na-discover. So, unlike ng beliefs na o sa nakikita natin, the entrance is not really from the bottom or sa ilalim ng pyramid. Kailangan mong iakyatin pa yung mga bloke na bato. Just imagine this. Thousands of years ago, walang machinery, walang equipment, none whatsoever na ginamit yung mga Ehipto, yung mga Egyptians sa paggawa ng pyramid ito. These blocks and blocks of rocks and stones na binuhat nila yan, they use their hands alone sa pag-build nitong pyramid na to. It's napakaganda talaga and nakaka-amaze kung paano naisip ng mga Egyptians na gawin ito manually. Ito pala yung feeling, ang texture ng bato is yung madulas, hindi siya rough, no?
Ito yung aking
Smooth
camera.
yung texture ng bato. So, ito yung side ng pyramid. Well, actually, we don't know kung anong side ang nasaan ng pyramid. So, private. So, we're now leaving Pyramid of Giza. And then, we will go to our next destination. So, ayan na. Check off sa bucket list namin. Pyramids of Giza.
We're gonna do the camera ride. After that, we're gonna drive down to see the Sphinx. I'm just gonna do it just the way.
This is the place naman kung saan we're going to do camel ride and some meron ding horse carriages na available. So it's an option, you do camel or horse ride. And it costs $10 for 20 minutes to ride the camel. And nasa view mo nga while riding the camel itong mga pyramids. Next activity is the camel ride. So, ayan pala yung panoramic view ng tatlong pyramids dito sa Giza. Tapos ito yung mga aso, oh. Ayan, may nagpapakain naman sa kanila. Ayan na. Amoy yung mga camel. Camel na camel. Ano ba Tagalog sa camels? Ayan yung mga camel, oh. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Come on, put legs here. تعال انت يا باشا ساعدها. يا باشا ساعدها لف رجليها.
عادل عايز جمل تاني يرضى الله يبارك.
Just wait for them.
جمل ده مع مين يا عادل؟
حسن رايب بقول لك هات الزبائن.
I pay you to scare me, okay? Yeah, I
You scared me.
scared me. Hold on. Slowly. Lean back. Yes. Right, slowly. Saan minsan ang cellphone ko?
You see? Scared.
No, I don't like. I'm old. I'm 71. I don't want to die.
هاتوا حلو كده.
This was a short camel ride, probably about 2 to 3 minutes only kasi it's very high and nakakalula and natatakot din ako baka mahulog na kasi nga masyadong mataas at saka malayo yung sa likod yung hinahawakan. So kahit pababa, kailangan mo ng certain position to get off the camel. So you have to lean back and then lean forward. Granite.
That's a granite.
Yeah.
Keep the place.
Yeah. This temple is made of granite. Hi guys, we're here sa harap ng Sphinx. So, kunan natin ng video and picture. Medyo maraming tao lang. Kaya mahirap makasingit. Pero we'll get our chance here for the photo. Excuse me. And then, we'll have a photo here. Ayan. Guys, thank you! Alright guys, so ayan yung Sphinx sa likod ko. And we're done. Next destination here is at Saqqara Archaeological Site. So we'll go check. This is a pyramid site also. We'll go check what's inside. Out natin ang Southern Tomb. So this is the Southern Tomb. Let's go. See? Alright, so ayan yung mga harang. Kasi dati daw ninanakaw yung mga nakalibing dito. So ito, isa sa tomb na nabungkal. So ayan pa yung iba. Mga tombs. Kaya naman binubuksan at ninanakaw yung mga tombs. Kasi nung buhay pa sila, lahat ng mga earthly things na yaman nila is isinasama sa kanilang libingan, such as yung mga gold. Kaya yon ang number 1 na ninanakaw. Part of our tour is this early morning flight to Aswan via Egypt Air. We boarded our Nile River cruise here in Aswan and we stayed here for 3 nights and everything is covered including the food. Dito sa aming Nile River cruise, dito sa Sandek, meron din ditong pool. Ayan, oh. Tapos, medyo may kalaliman tong pool na ito. As ayan yung view. Siguro may dome na yun. Siguro simbahan din yung dome na yun. Tapos you can see yung desierto. There's yung desert. Tapos mga residential area. You know, desert ulit. Tapos marami rin naman mga hotels. We're very safe here Why not? Across the building or across ng our ship, ayan yung malaking building na yan. Ito. That's a police department. Yung building na yan. So, very safe kami dito. Tapos, ayan yung bazaar. At saka marami pang mga stores. Mamaya maglalakad kami dyan. Ito, another ship tong nasa kabila. Kaya ayan, nakikita nyo may pool din. Tapos, doon banda, you would see may KFC doon, yun, where I'm pointing. Hello guys! From the city of Aswan here in Egypt. We are here nga sa harap ng gate ng mga cruise ship. Ito ayan yung gate, papasok sa mga ship. So, Aswan daw is land of gold. So, ang number one rule or number one sabi sa amin ng aming tour guide, wag sasakay dyan sa mga kalesa na yan. Kasi baka kung saan kanila ibaba at very mahal ang singil. At wag ka din makipag-usap sa mga kagaya niyan. Kasi kung ano nung hihingin yan sa'yo. Maganda naman yung kanilang service sa loob ng ship. Wala naman akong masabi. Pero one thing I noticed sa loob ng ship, ang kanilang mga crew puro lalaki. Wala silang babaeng crew. I found out the reason why na walang babaeng crew is because ito daw mga cruise ship na to is hindi daw nakakauwi ito every day. And women are expected to be at home to take care of the household. Even if they work during the day, at the end of the day, they still take care of the Hello
Wow.
guys! So we are now sailing River Nile or Nile River. Ayan yung desierto, kikita nyo. Tapos yun pa ibang ship. Ito ang tubig. Ayan. Medyo hindi walang safety precaution nito kasi open na open. Pwede kang mahulog talaga. Although mababaw lang naman, but still nakakamatay. Anyways, ayan guys, mamaya nasa Luxor na kami. Not sure kung anong oras kami makakadaong sa Luxor. As you can see, medyo malayo nga lang, pero ayun yung mga kabahayan sa disyerto at saka yung mga palm trees. Ito this is one of the temples. This is the Kom-Ombo temple, but it looks like they are all the same. So ayan, isa sa mga temples. Hindi na tayo papasok sa loob. Medyo pricey rin Ikot na lang tayo dito. Tingnan natin dito. Nakaka-amaze yung mga gawa ng mga Egyptians, no? Grabe, tingnan nyo. Tapos, lahat ito, ginamitan lang ng kamay. Binild nila yan. Isa-isa. Tapos, may ukit pa. See? Tingnan nyo, Yan. It's our second night here sa cruise, and the banquet room is set up nicely. Like the servers are wearing the Egyptian clothes. I'm not sure what you call them. And so here we are. We'll go to the buffet. I myself dressed up also for the party. Hello, thank you. So we're going to have stop. There's Tita Aster. And I'll go get some dessert first. Soup. Let's get the party started. Asan yung jajawain mo? Sa kanya ka magsayaw ng ganyan. Ha? Yung jajawain mo, nasa na?
Bala sa buhay niya, masayaw.
Sa baba, tita. Wala ka namang music. Yung music naman sa baba, iba naman Party na! Ayan si Tita Aster. Dancing with another Habibi. Look at these people. Oh, look at them. So, ayan. Nag-aano sila. Ito yung mga nagtitinda dito sa good price daw. Okay. Good price daw. Oh, yan ba? Oh. Boat sa Nile River. This is the Sahara Desert. This is the largest desert in the whole world, yung hot desert. Kasi sabi ni Mike, meron daw na desierto na malamig din. Pero ito nga ay mainit. And Mike has said na dito sa desert na to, naglakad yung three kings papunta kay Jesus Christ, kay baby Jesus. Ayan. That scared me. I almost pee my pants. You scared me. Jeez. Good afternoon, guys, and we are now here in Luxor. So the itinerary today will take the bus. Will take us to the Luxor Temple, and may isa pang temple. Kalimutan ko yung name eh. Pero it looks nicer compared to Aswan. Check it out, guys. Ito yung port dito sa Luxor compared sa Aswan. Dito hindi masyadong maraming yung mga tao na gumigilid na nag-aalok ng kung ano man na binebenta o sumakay sa kanila. Ganyan. And it looks like mas malinis. See? I'm not sure. Maybe because nandito pa lang kami sa port. We'll see pagka pumunta na kami dun sa mismong lugar, sa area na pupuntahan namin. Hi guys, so this is the Karnak Temple here in Luxor, and this is one of the largest temples you'll find here in Luxor, and I'm not sure if in Egypt as well. There, makita nyo, ayan o. And yung music sa background na nadidinig nyo, ayan yung, I think it's prayer time nila. Nila ang naririnig nyo. Ayan. So, there it is. Mahaba pa to. Hanggang dun sa dulo pa siya. Guys, we are now here inside the papyrus factory. So, I'm gonna show you how they make it. We are now here in a papyrus shop where you can see different displays of the designs made written in the papyrus. It's a plant and it's an ancient writing material that's commonly used here in Egypt. This is in Luxor. Mga shops around. Nasa kabila pala yung Luxor Temple. But across the Luxor Temple, mga bazaars, mga shops, restaurants, coffee shops. Ito, bazaar ito. Oh, nice. Meron doon Sephora perfume. We're here sa Luxor, and behind us is the Luxor Temple, and we'll just have some photo here. Okay, so we are riding the Kalesa. So this is Luxor Temple. Sinamakay kami dito sa Kalesa. Si Lady Gaga daw yung pangalan ng horse, and iniikot niya kami dito around the Luxor Temple. So this ride took us about 5 minutes ride. One way. So both around trip is about 10 minutes. Sulit naman yung binayad namin na 100 Egyptian pound para ikutin tong Luxor Temple. This is our ship, yung aming cruise ship. City and Sea Adonis. Hi. balloon nila is starting to land na, nagde-descent na. Marami rin pala silang nag-hot air balloon this morning. They left the ship ng 5:15 and it's now 7:20. We're about to pick them up. Good morning, guys, and we are here. We're going to pick up our other group mates because they signed up for the hot air balloon. Right there, up there, ayan, no? You can see, landing na yung kanilang hot air balloon. And we'll have some photos. Anong lugar ito dito?
Parang may nakita ko.
Queen something. I'm not sure yung Queen. So, ayan yung mga hot air
According
balloons.
sa mga groupmates namin, hindi naman daw nakakatakot sumakay dito sa hot air balloon na to
malayo
kasi
malayo
it's
dun
not
sa Istanbul.
windy. So tama lang at saka dahan-dahan din yung pagtaas and then yung pagbaba. So hindi raw nakakalula.
We are now traveling to the Valley of the Kings, and this is it. In less than 5 minutes, we'll be there. Alright, guys, so we are now entering the Valley of the Kings tombs. Ito, 3 tombs daw ang titignan namin today. And etong ticket na to, huwag iwawala ito kasi doon sa 3 tomb, 3 beses gagamitin to. Lalagyan to ng tatak. Kada enter sa isang tomb, isang tatak. So dapat may 3 tombs and 3 tatak ito. And pag nawala ito, wala kang access sa other tombs.
The tomb of King Tutankhamun.
This is what the Valley of the Kings looks like. And ayan yung mga tombs ng mga
Yung sinasabi niya
kings.
may bayad.
Just prefer to walk, which is okay lang naman kung hindi ganong mainit kasi may shade naman, kaya hindi masama maglakad. And it's windy, presko. Pero pag walang shade yun, mainit talaga, mataas yung sikat ng araw. Imagine niyo guys, ang lawak nito, sobrang lawak, at yung mga nahukay na nila na mga tombs malalim na yung mga hukay. Okay, we're now going to enter the tomb of Meremta. Hindi to po pwede sa mga may problema sa tuhod kasi very steep hanggang sa ceiling. Ayan, o. Itong tomb na to ang pinaka malalim, deepest daw to. So yun yung mga markings, so finally reach the bottom. Ayan, tomb. What's inside?
Wait.
So, ito yun. Alright, we're entering Ramses, Tomb of Ramses the ninth, and this was Hukay number 6. So, ayan. Yung mga markings sa walls. But character niyan may symbolism and meaning. Ito yung ina-explain yung mga kings, isa-isa haharap sila. Tapos ito to decide if they're going to enter heaven or hell. Right, so ito may boat. Yan, sailing. So lahat daw ng mga gamit ng king, dadalhin nila yan sa kanilang afterlife. Kaya naka-engrave, nakasulat dito sa kanilang tomb. Mga gamit, yung mga ginamit nila. Tapos ito daw, ito yung parang guide nila, captain ng ship, ng boat nila, that tell the direction kung saan pupunta yung king. Alright, so we are going to enter the last tomb, our third one, and this is the tomb of Ramses IV. So let's go step here para it's safer. Yan, medyo madulas kasi yung bato. Asan yung check this? Oh, this one. Puro maliliit, isa-isa yung engraved. Tapos nakalinya sila. Siguro engraved din tong isa-isang nakalinya na yan, no? May column. Tapos bawat isa may mga characters. So, 1, 2. So, hindi para sila pare-pareho numbers ng characters sa isang column. There's the tomb. Ayun, no? Mataas yung tomb eh. So, hindi makita. Buti pa siya may mataas siyang stick to see. So, ayan. Ayan yung tomb. Very high. Taas. So, eto na yun sa loob. May harang na eh. So, we are now entering the mortuary temple of Hatshepsut. Libingan daw to eh.
Puro ito nga libingan na pinupuntahan natin.
Okay, so we are now here going to enter the temple or the museum of mortuary museum of the king Hatshepsut temple. Right. So ito yung loob. Well, not loob. Yung labas. Okay. So, ayan. We're not gonna go up anymore because it's so hot. Grabe ang init.
Hindi na namin inakyat yung taas ng temple na to kasi nga sobrang init at nakakapagod at nakakahingal na. Kaya we just decided dito na lang sa baba magpaikot-ikot at magpicture-picture.
Guys, after 4 hours of driving from Luxor, we are now here sa Hurghada or Hurghada, and we are here going to stay sa resort dito sa Riwaya. And sa likod ng resort na to, nandoon yung
Welcome to Egypt. Welcome to
Thank you.
Egypt. Welcome.
Nandoon yung Red Sea. So, eto, dadaan tayo sa security. Also, shall we have a welcome drink? What's this one? What's this?
Guava.
Guava?
Parola.
Strawberry. Strawberry. Right. So, social ang pag-drink nila. It's a strawberry drink, hey? Shake. And my patawel. Can you get me one? Alright, thank you. Let's check out the resort and hopefully this is an all-inclusive resort, guys. So we'll have fun, we'll enjoy the drinks, we'll enjoy the view, and this is the view of the pool and the beach. There's the poolside and there's the beach side. Hopefully makuha namin yung malapit sa pool area. Pero okay lang kahit hindi. Dito naman malapit naman yung dining area sa loob. Good morning guys, 6:30 in the morning. And nakalabas na ang araw. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is pupunta tayo sa beach mismo, sa Red Sea Beach. And pakita ko sa inyo what it looks like dito sa resort na to. Ayan. Ito, malawak ang kahabaan ng Paradise Resort. Ganyan, oh. Ito, I'm not sure paano. Ayan yung kanilang water park. May mga slides. Pang-adult naman to. So, nililinis nila. Ito na yung beach side. May fresh bar dito. Ng juice bar. Tapos may tennis. Ito siguro yung... Kasi nakita ko yung mga lights and speaker. Ito ang sand dito sa Red Beach. Medyo siya brown na brown, mapula-pula. Yan na. Naman yung water ng Red Sea. Again, malumot. Huwag natin basahin yung paan natin. Mabato. Mabato yung dagat. Oh, malinaw naman. So, ito yung water. Red Sea, oh. Yan. Ganito pala. Ito yung tinawid ni Moses. Yung Red Sea. Diba ito yung hinati ni Moses?
Ito yung hinati ni Moses sa dagat para makatakas ang mga Israelites sa Pharaoh.
Para hindi makasunod yung mga alagad ni Pharaoh. Dito sa resort, ang dami ng mga activities, marami ring pool. So, ayun nga yung dagat, ang daming nagpa-parasailing. Tapos yung team namin, kasama yung kagrupo namin, nagda-diving at saka snorkeling. Tapos marami ring for kids. May water park din. Tapos ito for people who wears swimsuit only. Diyan kami nag-swimming kanina ni Mike. Tapos ito, meron dito yung water park nga na yung mga tao nag-slide sila. Tapos dito more pools, so 1 and 2 pools then here's another pool, pero kasi ito kakonti lang kasi yung shade na to eh. Oh, nililinis niya, oh. Kinukuskus niya. Ayan. Oh. There's more.
Osama's the best.
Had the sauna and then we had the steam bath and then we're going to have the jacuzzi. Mr. Cervantes is enjoying his jacuzzi time right now. There you go. And then Tita Aster forms hammam. Good morning guys. We are heading back to Cairo and we departed for Ghana at 6 in the morning. And we are going to be on this bus for traveling for 6 hours to 8 hours. So, ito yung mga kasamahan ko. Ayan. So, we're on the tour bus. Coach kami. Nakasakay kami sa coach. There's the Aster. Right there.
Along the way, ang nakikita lang namin sa dinadaanan namin is either disyerto or itong tabi ng dagat. So, those two things. Sobrang lawak kasi ng Egypt. Kala ko before coming here na it's just all desert kagaya nito. Na flat lang siya, pero hindi pala. It's mountain and mountains of desert. Tapos yung mga on the side or on the back of the mountains, nandun naman yung dagat. So ito nadadaanan natin yung mga bulubuntuin na disyerto.
Alright, we are here inside the Egyptian Museum. So, ito yung harap ng Egyptian Museum. Papasok tayo dyan. Ito yung lumang Egyptian Museum. Kasi yung isang malaki, ginagawa pa lang hanggang ngayon. Pero sabi nila, malapit na raw siyang mabuksan. Yung ibang parts, pwede nang puntahan by next week yata. Tapos, katabi lang nito yung The Nile Ritz-Carlton Hotel. So, madaling puntahan ito kung diyan ka sa Nile Ritz-Carlton Hotel mag-check-in. So, yun ang entrance doon sa gate na yon. And then, you'll go through the security. 550 Egyptian pound ang bayad. And then, makakapasok ka na dito. Hi guys, so we are now here entering the Egyptian Museum. And again, as I mentioned earlier, ito yung kanilang lumang museum. And yung kanilang new museum ay tinatayo and it's gonna be the biggest one. Biggest museum here in Egypt. So, here we go. And so, ito yung main entrance ng Egyptian Museum. And we will be following our tour guide.
Obviously, the name of King Narmer, it's a fish and a chisel.
This is the statue of King Djoser, who built the step pyramid. Cheops is the one who made the king pyramid of Giza. This is the statue of the Egyptian scribe na makikita siya sa 200-pound Egyptian note. Ito yung coat livingan nila before. Dito sila inililibing. Ayan. Okay. Ito daw yung jar kung saan nilalagay yung mga organs ng isang king. Dito tinatago. Ayan, sa mga jars na yan.
Human face is what we name them the four sons of God Horus.
Four sons.
That's the lake.
Ayan yung box, yung lid ng box. Tinatakip dito. So dito nilalagay yung yeah. Etong four na yon statue, yun daw nag-guard sa jar ng sabi ito daw yung jar ng organs ni King Tutankhamun. And ito naman yung throne ni King Tutankhamun. Parang as a bata siya, ito yung gamit niya, no? As a kid. Ito yung susot niya. This is the god of mummification. Sila yung nag-guard sa mga mummies. Yan. Okay, now we're going to see dalawang mummies. Meron dito nakasave. Sinabi niya yung name eh. Two mummies. Yoya and Soya. So ito ang mami ni Yoya. Yan. Yan ang mami ni Yoya. Ayan yung mami ni Yoya. Hindi kasi magandang nag-reflect kasi yung light sa'yo. Ayan o. Si Tuya. Ito yata si Tuya. Ito lalaki. Si mami. According dito, sila yung coffin and muffins of Yoya and Tuya. Yoya and Tuya are the parents of Queen Tiye, were each buried in a nested set of two Osiriform coffins inside an outer shrine, Upper Egypt and Lower Egypt. Ayan. So this is the mummified one. What animal do you think this is? No, it's not a monkey.
I think that's
What's this one? So we are now going to enter the animal mummy room. Oh, this is a crocodile. You can tell already. It's a big one. It's a really big one. This is a big tilapia. Big fish. A big one. Oh, pet mummies. Dog.
my zodiac.
Yeah. Oh, is it? Ito naman mga ibon. Different kinds of birds. we're going to enter Tanis Treasure. Tignan natin yung mga kayamanan na nakita nung siya ay nahukay or kasamang inilibing siya. Simulan natin to sa mga swords, sandata. Ay, tapos itong mga not sure kung ano to. Ito mga jars to eh. Large calcite jar. Mga jars. Ewan ko kung ano nakalagay dyan. So, ito pa yung iba pang mga kayamanan na nakita. Ito yung kanyang coffin. Yan, dyan siya inilagay. Ito yung mga gold. Yung mga bracelets niya. Ginamit niya, oh. Mga pure gold. Ito mga to. 2 solid gold bracelets. Pair of circular bracelets. I have 4 bracelets with a wedged eye. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung kanyang amulets. And then ito yung kanyang mga kwintas. Tsaka amulets. Ito naman yung funeral mask ni King Suez. Ayan. It's made of gold also. Ito naman yung kanyang beaded necklace. Ayan pa. Lunch today is chicken shawarma.
Sabot ng luto.
Bago luto. Okay. So, titignan natin. Okay. Chicken shawarma for lunch today dito sa bus. And it's actually good. Hi guys! So we are here at the market. I'm gonna go check out kung ano dito daw makakabili ng mga souvenirs and kung ano pa mga abobot at pangkalat sa bahay.
This way, entrance. In. This is the mall.
Okay. Let's go check out. Okay. So, mga trinkets and look how busy and crazy here sa kanilang market. Pag sama-samahin mo ang Divisoria, Baclaran, Quiapo. Tapos meron din sa tabi ng kalsada. It's rush hour. Rush hour. Kaya busy ang traffic. Pilihan ng mga tela doon sa loob. Tapos may mosque, temple. Itong area na to yung bilihan ng tela. Ito yung mga fabric, mga textile stores. Ito parang Quiapo sa harapan ng simbahan. Yung mga nagtitinda. Ay, what's that? This concludes our group tour. This is our last itinerary. Ang last stop namin dito, ang shopping dito sa Cairo. So, dinala kami dito sa bazaar. And for 9 days and 8 nights, everything was included sa 1,200 Canadian dollars na binayaran namin per person. We traveled using coach for land transportation, Egypt Air for air transportation, and yung may Nile River cruise din kami for water transportation. We stayed 3 nights sa Nile River cruise, and then we also stayed sa Hurghada sa may Red Sea for 2 nights. It's all inclusive. And this also tour, they also arrange for pick up and drop off at the airport if you are coming a day or on the first day or before the tour starts, and also on the departure day on your return to wherever you're coming from. So again, I highly recommend if you are going to visit Egypt or any other places in Europe or in Asia or in Middle East, if you'd like to join a group tour, Expat Explorer is highly recommended. They are budget friendly, affordable, and knowledgeable naman din yung kanilang mga tour guides. So, yan, if I'm going back again here in Egypt, yes, I'll go back here in Egypt. Definitely, I'll visit Luxor and then here Cairo. Kasi hindi ako masyadong naka-explore sa Luxor and we were there only for one day and gabi na kami nakarating. And then, maybe I'll not visit the pyramids and the Sphinx anymore. Pero yung kanilang newly opened na museum, I'll check that one kasi it just opened few weeks ago and it's the biggest one. I was told na yung daw mga other artifacts and kung ano man mga nahukay doon nila dinala sa lugar na yon. So yes, now we are staying our last night here at the Pyramid, Just Pyramid Resort. This is our room. Tomorrow we're flying to Venice, to Italy for our cruise naman. And what good thing with this tour guide is they are providing transportation back to the airport. Thank you, Egypt, for this wonderful experience. Sobrang na-enjoy ko ang bansang ito. Hindi ko in-expect na marami akong madidiscover at ma-enjoy ng ganito ang Egypt. And definitely, given a chance, babalik ako sa bansang ito. Thank you. Bye!